Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's video, I will tell you about the earphone connection problem in your device Galaxy M13. So if in this device, if you're having any problem related to the earphone connection, or you can say the headphone connection, you can easily fix it just by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video. You will learn how you can fix the ear speaker issue in your device. Let's watch it.